Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. Happy Friday, everybody. It is Friday, December 4th, the first Friday of December. This is our weekly recap. It goes out to all my members as well as people who follow me on YouTube and my subscriber email list. If you want to learn more about me, come out here. You can check me out at Live Trading Alerts, tells you everything we have. I don't try to sell you guys hard. Come in, take a look. I'm going to give you guys a little hint. I'm working on my names that can outperform for next year. Last year was a great year for those names. I'll give you a video on it. And then if you're interested, you can buy that. I'll be pushing that out later on this month. All right. So as we're moving forward here, this week, let's just go right into it. This week, a very low volume melt up week. For the first time in a while, we actually gapped down on Monday, and Monday was the low of the week. We had this nasty candle on Monday, then we got a big gap up on Tuesday, and there you go, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and here we are at all-time highs on the SPY. There is no volume. If you're looking for volume in this market, you're not going to find it. With 30 minutes to go on Friday, we are right at last Friday's half session that closed at 1. Why is there no volume? The market has a little bit of a problem here. It's getting, it keeps going up, and there's a ton of money sitting on the sidelines that doesn't want to buy it here, but nobody wants to sell what they have because they don't have enough on. So the market's kind of in this tough spot. And if you ask yourself, why is the market going up? Well, where else is money going to go? So, for me, I'm in aggressively buy dip modes, play the names that are trading and active on a daily basis. And if we were talking about this in the room just a little while ago, we had an absolutely horrific job number today, and the market roared to all-time highs. That's all you need to realize at this point. This market doesn't care what's going on with the coronavirus at this point. It doesn't care about the economy, that the numbers are coming in. The market's looking at the vaccine, it's looking at next year, and is saying there's nowhere else to put money. There's stimulus coming, and the central banks are pumping. So now we'll watch for a move up to 370. This morning we talked about the Bollinger Band being flat. Anybody see the Bollinger Band here today? Look what happened now. It's curling up. This is exactly what we need to see. So you had this big move in the SPY. The QQQs, not quite as strong, but new all-time highs. The IWM is raging. New all-time highs. Look at this candle today. Just blast away candle. We talked about that this morning. The diamond's up here at all-time highs. The markets are on fire. The markets don't care what's going on. And the VIX just refuses to come below this 20 level. It's absolutely stubborn. So what? We don't worry about it. So, when you look at this week and you say, well, what was good this week? What was bad this week? You can see here on the left, we put this up there so everybody can focus on what's going on. We had the OPEC meeting. There was a lot of drama around that. Apple this week, there was a lot of flow around Apple, had a beautiful move on Monday and Tuesday, and then just petered out here this week. There was nice trades to be had on Apple on Monday and Tuesday. AMD had good trades this week, another move. Look at this big pop to new all-time highs. Here's Monday, here's your Wednesday, and today it's coming right back. Hold the 8-day, remains strong. Taiwan Semi, new highs this week, pushing back up today. Qualcomm, new all-time highs today. Big candle there. Micron, not all-time highs, but a 19-year high, now only $20 from its 2001 all-time high of 97. The semis have been the place to be, except for NVIDIA, which continues to languish out here and can't get going. Just not in play right now. All right. Uber has been seeing massive flow all week, new all-time highs there. Square had some nice trades this week. We made good money on that one. Tesla gave some beautiful trades this week on that gap up yesterday and moving around on that. Boeing had a week that, is just amazing. Beautiful 2-day move here. Digestion day. I actually shorted it, made money on this one today. And you just look around, the market's just strong. You can see the flow coming into names like now COP and CVX, with energy names waking up. So everything is just starting to wake up here. This market's alive. Value plays are in. And, we should be looking to buy dips aggressively at this point until this market changes. Roku today, new all-time high. They bought the hell out of the weekly 295 calls. New all-time highs here now, 297.30. And the one nice thing about this week is flow showed the way. Disney all-time highs. Disney, which is getting killed in this pandemic. Killed. See this nice day on Wednesday? When it was red in the morning, they were buying the 150 calls. Look at that beautiful move. So, this is the type of market you love. When flow is showing you the way, It's pointing out the strong names. It's showing you where to be at. It's showing you where to play. And that's what we do here. We look for these names and we try to ignore the markets and try to ignore everything else. So that said, I hope you guys had a great week. I hope you guys are ready for the holidays. You're enjoying yourself. And if you're not a member of the room, have a great weekend. I'll post some charts on Sunday. And if you are charts on Sunday, you guys get whatever you want. And I'll catch you guys on Monday morning. Good night, everybody. Have a great weekend.